So one thing I did off screen was cut a bit out of the chassis next to the battery compartment. I did this so the wires from the battery are easier to route and plug in. But that's not why I'm recording today. I bought more RPM parts, the rear bumper mount and rear bumper. Okay, I've determined that Kevin Talbot is a wizard, so I'll be putting this on the hard way by reading the directions, like a chump. Time to fumble through to some music.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse.
Putting it on was much harder than I thought. One thing I don't like is how much of a pain it'll be to change the pinion gear. But otherwise, I like how durable it is. Check this out. And here's a spoiler for my next video. Something broke and now I have to fix it.